Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how CRM is best for your CBD business and how you can make CBD business in your CRM and how you can manage your sales and manage your automations as well. And the main thing is that I'm going to show you an amazing CBD funnels in GoHighLevel CRM, how you can design this amazing funnel in your GoHighLevel CRM and how you can get it free of cost from me as well. So I will guide you step by step. It's a super easy to design in even it's a super easy to manage as well with the CRM things. So let me dive in GoHighLevel without wasting time, and I will guide you step by step how we can design this type of funnels. So first of all, I need to go to site area, and in site area we will go to the GoHighLevel area, and here we had CBD oil funnel is already built it here. So I just go to the added features and how we have designed it and how we are utilizing it for different businesses. So here you can see I just take menu here, and in menu I just put all these things, and even I take another section. This is a full section. Now this is a full section. In full section we had menu, we had divider here, and after the divider we had this one in social media. In social media we have 3 buttons, and we have shop button as well, and here we are menu. We had menu, and after the menu we had this whole backgrounds green, and in this we had one image, and we had this animations image as well, and here we have some text, and we had some italic text here with some fonts and styles change, and here we had numbers and call to action button, and also we had these things as well, and here we had these images and everything here. It should be images. You can design these images in Canva and any other tool that you want to like, and it's a super easy. You can just do drag and drop, and you can change it according to your requirement. And here you see these are the colors and everything. You can change just step by step, and here you can see this is these are all images. You can change it or edit it according to your requirements, and if you need this funnel, we can provide you this funnel, and you can use it, utilize it free of cost. If you can go to the funnelflex.io. here we have a lot of templates, so you can buy this from here. It's only $99, and also another thing is that it's not about $99. You will get all automations and everything free of cost. And if you need any GoHighLevel services, then you can simply go to leadsflex.com and you can book free consultation here. So let me go back in funnel area, and I will show you how we can design it more complex and more easy way. These are a super easy way. We just take 3 sections. In a one section we just take these column, like put these text and icons, and in second one we just take images, and third ones we utilize same one as well. And here we had some images. These are just image we have designed with Canva, and we have placed here, and you can change everything here. Here is all functionality. You can utilize it and you can change it according to your requirements. And same here we had images and with some animations, and we had some text as well. And here we have some custom code for happy customer review section, and here you can see this part we did with code, because GoHighLevel not allow us to do this in a drag and drop builder, so we did with the code, and that's why it's a code icon here. And here is our blog section where we put our blogs, and here we have read more buttons, and we have blog section. Here is we have footer, and also we had checkout page as well that I have link with it. When someone buy it, click on a product, it will be goes to checkout page, and here they can check out, and after that they have thank you page, and they will automatically redirect to thank you page. In thank you page we had some upsales product as well, but it's up to you. If you can put upsales product here, you can update it and put it your upsale products. It's a super easy funnel design, and believe me, we had thousands of dollar sales with these funnels. If you need this funnel, just simply go to funnelflex.com, link in description box, and if you need any services custom design, you can order here as well, and you can book free consultation here as well. Both links are available in description. Thank you so much for watching this video.